How to change a language on Waze. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Waze on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings. After you click on Settings, click on Voice and Sound at the top. In here, you'll find different options. Simply select the language option, which is voice. Now, after you're in voice, you'll find different voice or language. You can also search for the language at the top in the search bar as well. Select the one you prefer, and the voice will change. And when giving direction, the language will be different. This is how to change a language in Waze. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.